Hi guys, welcome to the 1 minute review. Today we are going to review HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. If you want to buy this VR headset you can buy right now by checking the link in the description. HTC goes back to base stations for improved accuracy. The HTC Vive Cosmos Elite is designed to address some of the original HTC Vive Cosmos problems while maintaining that model's core specifications. The dual 4.3-inch displays running at 90 Hz really are worth holding onto. The Cosmos Elite comes bundled with Half-Life, Alex and 6 months of Vport Infinity subscription, which at the very least means there are lots of things to try out with your new headset. The Cosmos Elite is essentially the original Cosmos bundled with the first generation base stations and controllers and a different faceplate. This means you lose some of the original's inside-out tracking immediacies but get improved accuracy for the trouble. That's a hit that does feel reasonable in the right games. You will need a decent area for you to throw your helmet itself around in, though. The original launch price of the Cosmos Elite was prohibitively high at $899, and this is one of the reasons it didn't fare better in our review. Still, if you're looking for a premium VR gaming experience, you're going to have to pay a chunk for it, whichever solution you go for. For more details and latest prices, check the links in the description. I hope this 1-minute review will be informative for you. If this review is helpful, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.